dear students, few problems can be solved directly using the graphs, or we can arrive at the final answer or at least eliminate few of the options by just using graphs. Look at this question, dear students. We have tan of 2 tan inverse of 1 by 5 minus pi by 4. So what is that equal to? Concentrate on this, dear students. See, I am just trying to draw the graph of tan inverse of x and analyze. Right? So no doubt this should be the graph of tan inverse of x. Right? So what is tan inverse of 1? Tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4. This is pi by 4. Right? So tan inverse of 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is tan inverse of 0.2. Tan inverse of 0.2 should be a very small quantity. Right? 2 times tan inverse of 0.2 should be a number somewhere here. Twice of this. If you call this as p, this will be 2p. No doubt it will be lesser than pi by 4. This clearly says this complete part is negative. Tan of a negative number should be a negative number. Therefore, A is ruled out and C is directly ruled out. Now the question arises whether it is minus 17 by 7 or minus 7 by 17. You can observe one thing, dear students. This is tan of a number which is very small, nearly equal to, even if you consider twice of 0.2, right? This you call this twice of 0.2, 0.4 minus 0.4 minus pi by 4. Pi by 4 is a number slightly less than 1. Pi is 3.14. 3.14 by 4 you can call it as 0.8. This is 0.4 approximately, minus 0.8 should give us minus 0.4. Tan of minus 0.4 is a number which is definitely negative and less than 1. That clearly says option D is correct and B is ruled out. But this is just an like imagination, or we can say this is just an approximation. I may not be correct also sometimes. So can we go to the traditional method? But one thing is true, option B or D should be correct. D looks like most likely, but in spite of that, A and C is definitely wrong. Now let us analyze using traditional method. And you can, after discussing this problem, you can think yourself that definitely this untraditional method or graphical approach is better than the traditional method. Look at this. We have tan of 2 tan inverse of 1 by 5 minus pi by 4. I will write this as tan inverse of 2 tan inverse of 1 by 5. I will write it as tan inverse of 2 by 5 divided by 1 minus 1 by 5 whole square. 1 minus 1 by 25. Correct? 1 minus 1 by 25 is 25 minus 1 by 25, that is 24 divided by 25. I hope you have understood this. Tan inverse of 2a divided by 1 minus a square minus tan inverse of 1. I hope you will not ask me why are you writing tan inverse of 1 here. So that is equal to tan inverse of 5 cancels, right? So now what happens? So 2 12s are correct. Do you agree with me? This is 12. So this 2 goes to numerator, that is 10 by 24, or you can write it as 5 by 12, right? Tan inverse of 5 by 12 minus, see there is no space, that's why I am writing pi by 4, otherwise I would have written tan inverse of 1. So now this is of the form tan inverse of A minus tan inverse of B, right? So let me write tan outside. Tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y is given by tan inverse of x minus y divided by 1 plus xy. That is tan inverse of x minus y, that is 5 by 12 minus 1 divided by 1 plus, right, 5 by 12. Is that correct? So that is equal to tan of tan inverse of 5 minus 12 is minus 7, correct? Minus 7 divided by 12. 12 plus 5, 17 divided by 12. Minus 7 divided by 12, 17 divided by 12. So 12 cancels, tan inverse cancels, you will get that is equal to minus 7 divided by 17, right? So that clearly says option D is correct. So maybe this method looks more precise, but the graphical approach gives better results or the results at a shorter duration of time. Look at the next question, dear students. We have cos of 2 sin inverse of x is equal to 1 by 9. Cos of 2 sin inverse of x is equal to 1 by 9. You are asked to find out the value of x. Look at this. We have cos of 2 sin inverse of x is equal to 1 by 9. Right. So, can we simplify 2 cos of 2 theta in terms of sin theta? See, we have cos of 2 theta. Can you express that in terms of sin theta? Cos of 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Is that correct? So, you can write this as cos of 2 sin inverse of x. You can write that as, right? So, the left hand side, we can write this as 1 minus 2 sin square of sin inverse of x. 1 minus 2x square is equal to 1 by 9. This clearly implies 1 minus 1 by 9 is equal to 2x square. Therefore, 1 minus 1 by 9 is 8 by 9 is equal to 2x square. This implies x square is equal to 4 by 9. Therefore, x is equal to plus or minus 2 by 3. That clearly says option C is correct. Look at the next question, dear students. We have sin inverse of x is 2 tan inverse of x. Sin inverse of x is 2 tan inverse of x. Remember, dear students, x belongs to minus 1 to plus 1 only, right? Anyway, we can write sin inverse of x is equal to sin inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Is that correct? Because 2 tan inverse of x is sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. This implies x is equal to 2x by 1 plus x square. So, let us cross multiply x plus x square into x, that is x plus x cube, correct no? X into 1x, x into x square, x cube is equal to 2x. Therefore, shift 2x to left hand side, x cube minus x is equal to 0. Do you agree with me? Therefore, can we take x common? We will get x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 0 for this. X square minus 1 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 1, x is equal to minus 1. So, minus 1, 1, 0, Option C is correct.
ಡಿಯರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ನೀವು ದೀವಿಗೆ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಹೇಳಿ, ಇದೇ ಥರ ನೂರಾರು ವೀಡಿಯೋಸನ್ನು ಫ್ರೀಯಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿ.